This channel is built for beginner traders who want a clear path. I've been in the market long enough to know how confusing it can be when nobody breaks things down simple. Tools, indicators, charts, setups, order types, risk management, all of that can feel overwhelming in the beginning. That's why I'm building Skyvestments trading education. I'm taking what I've learned from real market experience, financial education, world markets, the mistakes I had to work through, and I'm breaking it down in a way I wish somebody had explained it to me when I first started. This trading tools and indicators encyclopedia is just one part of that. The goal is to help you understand the charts, understand the tools, and build better discipline before you start pressing buttons with real money. So follow the channel, subscribe if this is helping you, and if there's a tool, indicator, or trading topic you want me to break down next, drop it in the comments. We're building this one lesson at a time.